To attach your cup to your waist belt, you want to take this webbing that's attached to the top of your cup. You go around your waist belt, and if you have horizontal webbing like this on your waist belt, you want to fish it in there. That'll help keep everything in place so that the sling won't slide around. You go through this tri-glide. And this will allow you to adjust the height of the cup off the bottom of your waist belt. Once you get the height that you want, you'll take this tail, you'll tuck it back on itself, and that will ensure that the cup won't slide. Every Slik sling will come with one of these clips. This clip will be installed above and behind your lower ladder lock on your shoulder strap. Once you have that clip installed, you will take your cam lock buckle with the ladder lock on it. You'll slide it right through the top of that clip, back through this ladder lock, and that will give you plenty of adjustment for your sling. To install your webbing retaining clip, you'll locate the vertical webbing on your shoulder straps. You'll slide that in there. Click it one time. There's some teeth in there that you'll notice. Find out what height you like that, whether that's up in this area or maybe down in this area here. Once you get it to where you want it, close it all the way in. Snap it all the way into place. If for some reason you need to take that off of there, just take the back of your knife. You'll slide it into that space there, twist it sideways, and that will release your clip. I find that having this somewhere around the height of my collarbone seems to work best for my build. To install the webbing that wraps around your barrel, you'll just locate either your frame stay or a webbing handle on your pack. You go around your frame stay or webbing handle, back through this tri-glide, and that will lock it into place. Once you have your Slik sling properly installed in your pack, this is how you put your gun on. So you locate the cup, drop the butt of your rifle in there, find the webbing that goes around your barrel. Make sure you maintain pressure on this strap so you don't drop your gun. You'll slide that webbing into this clip. Locate your cam lock buckle with the ladder lock on it. Slide that in there. Just get it snug. And then use this tail. Just kind of slide it down, just pull it down, and that'll tighten everything up so you've got a good secure fit with your rifle. Now to take this off of there, you'll just grab this tail, one hand on your barrel, and your rifle comes off pretty quickly. Now this retaining clip here, I have found that the best height for me is somewhere around the height of my collarbone. It just seems to hold everything in place very well. Anywhere lower on the pack, it just doesn't fit nearly as well. So I would play around with the height of this clip, maybe start around your collarbone and kind of work from there. and just decide whatever works best for you and your situation.